Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this kind of abstract grainy gradient background. I made a reel on my Instagram, but this is a more in-depth tutorial. Still pretty quick, so let's jump right into it and not waste any more time. We're going to unlock our background just by clicking on that little lock. And you can grab your brush tool and make sure you set the mode to difference. Set the opacity at 100%, but make sure you have a soft brush. You can edit the softness or hardness of the brush by holding the Control and Option keys. Click and drag up or down for the hardness and left or right for the diameter. So once you have your soft brush, make sure you're set to the default mode and make sure your white is on the foreground color. And you're just going to paint some random lines. Each time you let go and paint over, it's going to create this difference effect. So each time you paint over it, you're gonna get these cool lines, and you can add however many you want till you get a result you like. Next, you can add color. So click on the white and select a color. Keep in mind that if I choose red, it's actually going to paint the difference of the red. So in our black areas, the red is going to show, and in our white areas, the opposite of our red is going to show. So think of that each time you keep adding a new color, and you could just add multiple, one on top of the other. Once you're happy with it, just go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, and add an appropriate amount. Don't go too crazy with it. You could go with 4 or 5% and it gets pretty grainy. I press OK and then that's it. Usually to create some variation of this same design, if I really like it, I can just go press Command I on a Mac, Control I on a keyboard to invert the colors. Otherwise, I usually just go to the Adjustments tab and add a Hue and Saturation adjustment. That way it keeps my design the same way as is, but just changes its colors, and you can get some really cool variations. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe or comment if you have any tutorial suggestions or requests, and I'll see you soon. Bye.